Over the years, a particular question has often cropped up in courses, and that is how can we, as firms of accountants, speak to our clients much more easily and straightforwardly than we do. As a result of that and various other conversations, at PTP we have decided to produce our client newsletter. The client newsletter, quite simply, is a 4-page quarterly document that can be badged and branded in your own firm's details so that you can then send that to your clients and start the conversation about whatever is happening in tax at the moment, and perhaps more importantly, how you can help them deal with those issues. The other question that's cropped up in more recent years is how can we find information to put onto our websites? Interesting articles about things that are ongoing in tax. And as a result, from this year, we have decided that the newsletter content will be available in 2 formats. Either as a newsletter, which you can print out with your own badging and branding, as I've already mentioned, and send out to clients, or simply take the wording from our newsletter and add it to your website, perhaps as a news article gradually through the quarter, or perhaps something on your homepage to highlight that your firm is keeping up to date with the latest news. One of the best pieces of news about that will be that this increases the likelihood of your website being picked out on the Google search and similar because of the recent content which has been added to it. It turns out that Google doesn't like to find websites where it's simply a list where you can find various people's names and addresses. So by having recent news articles, that increases the likelihood of people finding you within the area, and then you can have a conversation about the article that we've sent you. As I say, probably the best thing to do is to have a look at our website, www.ptptraining.com, where you'll find full information about our newsletters. Prices are only £145 plus VAT per year for 5 different newsletters. That's 4 quarterly newsletters and a budget special, which we issue within the week after the budget. Have a look at the website, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact the office on the information that you'll also find via that website.